how to crop an image to make an awesome thumbnail in YouTube. Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you the 3 applications that I'm actually using to help you crop out your image so that you can make an awesome thumbnail. And you know, in YouTube, if you can nail down the thumbnail, you can actually have a chance to have more people view your videos, and that is through having that on a click-through rate, right? So I'm going to show you 3 applications, but I'm just going to show you one application that I'm actually really using because I found it so simple and it's really easy to navigate. So this is the application that I'm actually using, PicsArt, but you can also check background eraser and Pixomatic so that you can have a lot of options. But for me personally, I'm using PicsArt. So I'm gonna go here, right? I'm gonna click on the icon, and then I'm gonna add an image that I want to edit. So one image is this one that I already have prepared for you guys. So what you're gonna do to crop out your image is that you want the background, right? You want to erase the background, so you just have your image here in front. So what you're gonna do is click here on the 6th icon here. If you see the cutout, right? So you need to click that. So again, I'm just using a regular stylus, nothing fancy. I don't have an Apple Pencil. My phone is a Samsung, so I don't have the Apple Pencil. So you see here on the bottom screen, you have 2 icons. One is a cutout. You can do that, but for me, it's really tricky. But to make your job a lot easier on cropping your image, you just click this icon here, the person icon, I don't know what you call it. So you click that, and then it will just automatically just highlight the image. So you can see here, so on your image, right, the pink portion is actually the image that is going to get cropped out. So meaning if it's not highlighted or painted like pink, it's gone, it's erased. So what you're gonna do here, so you see here my pinky doesn't have any color in it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this brush here, and I'm just gonna make it a little bit finer. So I'm gonna paint this again just using a regular stylus. Alright, so right, that way my pinky won't get cut off, right? You know what I mean? Alright, so that's good. Oh, if you make a mistake like I did, you can just erase that, right? So because if you don't, the background is gonna get it. Alright, so let's get this one. Alright, then just make sure this one, you see here. So that's why I would really recommend you use the stylus, because it's gonna make your job a lot easier. There we go. That one, oops, I erased it accidentally. Right, and just make sure all my fingers I highlighted. Right, highlight that. And my hair, is already thin, so I want it darker. Want all my hairs in there. Right. Oops. So this will make it a lot nicer to look at, right? If you have all your clothes in there. All right, I think that's good enough. All right. So what you're gonna do is click save on top here on the right corner, upper right corner. Click save. And boom, that's it. So this is the image now you're going to use if you're using Canva or you're using Kickastuber, like I'm the one using. So you can use this to have a cut out image of yourself, and then you can make an awesome thumbnail by that one. So you just click the arrow on top and then click save, and save that on your gallery. So that's it, guys. So I really hope that you got value from this video. If you do, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you need help in your YouTube channel, just let me know and I'll be happy to help you. So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.